Hey everybody, I'm Connor and this is Val, and for our project we decided to build Mr. Mixologist. We thought we would try to solve a lot of the world's biggest issues, but instead we solved one of our own biggest issues, which is we have both found ourselves in situations where we are looking in our pantry and refrigerator and not sure what we can make with those ingredients. So we birthed Mr. Mixologist.
Okay, so I'm just going to quickly demonstrate how the app works. So you can see this is our home screen, and then to enter you can click select ingredients, and then we have pretty much all of the ingredients in our database broken out by category. So we have liquors, mixers, fruits, veggies, sweeteners, etc. And then you can go and highlight selecting whichever ingredients you have in your pantry or fridge. And you can deselect, choose which ones you want. And then you click search cocktails and it'll show up if any recipes match your ingredients. So just to demonstrate, I only clicked 2. And so we get a little message that we didn't match any cocktails if you don't have enough. And then we can go back. And then I'll demonstrate what it'll look like if you are able to match. So I'm just going to pick some random ones. I wish I had this much at my availability, but just to demonstrate. Okay, and so then you can see it shows you the different drinks and what they look like, and these would be the drinks that we have the available ingredients for. So just to show you, so we can try the old-fashioned, and it'll render the recipe with the exact measurements and the instructions for how to concoct it, and Mr. Mixologist always ends with a cute little pun for your drinking convenience. So yeah, that's our app.